Hey guys, here we have a 2024 Toyota Tundra, and like last year's model, it hasn't changed. The bottom sweep, it's a separate piece from the door panel. I know some of you would probably want to remove this cap because there's like about an inch of glass going over there, but I highly advise you not to do that. It's a pain in the ass to remove, and the clips are a pain in the ass to put it back. You're probably going to break a couple of them if you take this off. All right. So what I do is I remove just one Phillips screw that it's right here, something like this, just to remove that cap. Cap is off. Remove one Phillips. And I'll use something like this to just pop the edge of the door panel over here. And that's all you need to remove. You can pop, there's one more popper somewhere around here. So when you pop this one, you have enough room to fish this sweep up. As you can see, it's very easy to take it off. And as you bring it up, you're gonna see that it looks like it's missing a little piece. Well, the other piece that it's like this one, that it's on the edge of the sweep, it stays, all right? And it's very easy for you later on, when it's time to put this whole thing back, you can just slide the sweep right there, and the whole thing will be together, all right? So there's no need to remove this cap over here. I hope that'll help somebody out there. The rear door is the same way, okay? Good luck. Bye-bye.